Hi everyone, today we're going to make a very simple pumpkin recipe. Did you ever cook with pumpkin other than pumpkin pie? And I got one piece from Asian market. You can buy a piece. I'm going to just use half. And I'm going to remove the seeds. We can even bake the seeds, pumpkin seeds, and just remove the skin. I know it's very hard to remove it. Just this way, one side at a time. Make sure it's flat. Here's the last piece. Clean up here. Now we cut in half from the middle. And now into slices, like that, not too thin. Last piece. Just one more. Now let's cook. I'm heating up the pan to high. Let's add some olive oil. You can use vegetable oil. And we add minced garlic. White part of green onions. Optional, it's a piece of brown sugar. You can use any other sugar because sometimes pumpkin can be a little bit bitter. Add our pumpkins. Stir. Add a little bit salt. Now add water, warm water. Halfway to the pumpkins. Bring this to boil. Just need to cover it. Cook about 10 minutes. We'll check it in between. After 5 minutes, let's check out pumpkin. Give it a stir. Seems like getting soft already. Yep, getting there. A few more minutes. After another few minutes, our pumpkin should be ready soon. Let me just taste it. If you can break it, yeah, it's done. Just a little bit salt. Finish with green onions. our pumpkin is ready. Looking good. Beautiful color. So tender. Let me try it. Oh, so hot. So good. Sweet, a little garlicky. Still have some chewiness. Please try to make it so simple. And pumpkin is so rich in vitamins, fiber, so good for us. Wish everybody a happy Halloween. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.